how to turn on your Instagram active status. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can quickly turn on your Instagram active status. So click on Instagram from over here on your phone, and then once Instagram is open, click on the bottom on your profile. So when you click on the bottom on your profile, that is going to take you over here. So now from over here, click on the top right where you see three lines. So when you click on that, click on settings, and then after that from over here, click on account, and then over here you guys are going to see all of your account settings. So from over here, click on the search bar and type in activity. So once you type in activity, that is going to show you the activity status option. Click on that, and then you guys will be able to turn on your Instagram activity status. So once you turn it on, it is going to allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active, or if you are currently active on Instagram. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts as well. So if I turn it on, then everybody is going to be able to see I'm online, and I'm also going to be able to see who is online and who is not online. So this is very helpful for anybody who wants to see if the person they're messaging is online or if they're not online. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.